What are we going after, Mr. Gilmore? In time, we'll reveal it. We're going to go under this muscle right here. And this muscle is unique to the cat. It's not found in humans. It allows or helps the cat to achieve one thing. When the cat in a defense mechanism will rear up at someone and curl it back, in order for them to do that, they have to have this muscle underneath called the pectoralis. So this thin muscle right here, that's not found on humans, is called the pectoralis. Mr. Gilmore, I need you to reflect that muscle because I can't really make it out. That's fine. So if you notice, when I reflect this muscle, the pectoralis, a lot of structures come out to play. Now, when I do that, I'm cutting these out. I don't need them right now. I won't need them later. So I'm going to retract this. When I retract this, I see a muscle here, and there's one hiding. Three muscles. Alright? The muscle here is what I'm concerned with now. When I retract the pectoralis, if I was to do this right here, you're going to look at my muscles on the top and call those what? Biceps brachii. If that much is true, I'm going to take the pectoralis, reflect it, and reflect it. And when I reflect it, I'm going to reveal this muscle. That's the biceps brachii. Where is it, Mr. Gilmore? I take the pectoralis, I retract it. When I do that, I'm going to find this muscle right here. That's the biceps brachii. But Mr. Gilmore, you just told us that this was the triceps brachii longus. If this was the triceps brachii longus, I'm going to pull it, and I'm going to separate, and all of a sudden I'll see another muscle come out to play. This muscle here. Do that again, Mr. Gilmore. I take the biceps brachii and the triceps brachii longus, and I separate them. And I'm going to look down, and I see this muscle right here. That muscle, unless it's going to be hard for you to see inside of it. They can see it up here, but you all can't see it as well. Y'all can see it a little bit?
When you take you separate it.
See it? That's it. That is the triceps brachii medialis. Whether you believe it or not, you have now seen all of the muscles. Now there's one called brachialis that you saw on the other side. Did you see it? No. I can tell where y'all look. Do it again, Mr. Gilmore, because I didn't pay attention. And I didn't know what I was paying attention to. If you look right here. When you all looked right here, you pulled out, what was this fellow right here? Lateralis. You pulled out, what am I touching now? Clavodeltoid. When you pulled out those two, there was this muscle right here. This muscle is brachialis. You follow me? So, this is lateralis. This is clavodeltoid. When I pull those two out, right on that nerve is where I see this muscle right here. And that is brachialis. You have all the muscles up to this point. Now, what I'm going to do now is start at 24 and work my way all the way around to 35. You see that? And then you have all of these muscles to 41. Now, I asked you all to memorize 42 through 52. Is that correct?